Thank you for your interests in Brio shows. This video is designed to assist you in setting up your first Brio show as powered by Aura Stream. With Brio shows, you will be able to stream high-resolution videos that are also capable of delivering high-fidelity 24-bit audio to your audiences. To get started, first open up your browser. In the address box type in brio.aurastream.com, or you can search for Brio AuraStream with your preferred search engine. Once you have entered the Brio website, you can go ahead and create a new account or log in to an existing account. If this is the first time you are using Brio, you will be shown a quick introduction to the Brio website. If you like to skip the introduction for your future sessions, simply choose the Do Not Show This Again button located at the bottom left-hand side. After the introduction, you will be brought to the main page of the Brio app. To add new shows, click on the Shows tab followed by the Add New Show button. Click on the Add Show option and an Add Show window will appear. You will be able to choose or enter relevant show information relating to your planned streaming. The first step to setting up your show would be to choose the show type. Choose Recorded for shows that are already recorded and exist as a video file. Or choose Live if you want to stream a real-time program. For this session, we will be choosing the recorded show for demo purposes. To start, first choose Recorded as the show type. After selecting the show type, you will be able to enter basic show information like title, artists, the description of the show, and the genre. To enter the title and other information, simply click on the appropriate headings and enter your preferred information. I have entered Brio Show Tutorial as the title, Aura Stream as the artist, followed by show description and genre accordingly. After entering the show information, press the Add button to proceed to the next step. After pressing Add, you will be shown the Upload Show window. Here you will see the Select Show button. When you click this button, your default Files Explorer allows you to choose the video file for uploading to the Aura Stream servers. Or you can simply drag and drop the video file into the Upload Show window. The video uploading time is dependent on the video size as well as your local internet upload speed. After selecting the file, click Open to start the uploading process. You will be able to see a bar displaying the uploading progress. Once uploading is complete, conversion of your video file will take place at the Aura Stream servers to ready the show for streaming. Click OK to continue. After uploading, you can now see the uploaded video displayed in the Shows window. At the right end of the row, you will see an ellipsis. Click on the ellipsis and click on Edit Show to add additional show information. After selection, the Edit Show window will appear. If you scroll down the window, you will be able to see additional information and details about the uploaded show. The status of the uploaded video may take a few moments before appearing. The status for uploaded videos will either be processing, checking, or available. Processing of the uploaded video usually takes 0.5 to 1 times the playback duration of the video. You can also upload a picture or photograph to act as the cover picture for your show. After choosing and uploading the cover photo, you will be brought back to the Shows page where the uploaded picture can already be seen displayed on the left of the show thread. Click on the ellipsis again to continue editing the show. You can now schedule the show. Start by clicking on the Set Show Schedule and Ticket Price tab. After clicking on the Button tab, you will be able to see that the show date and time are preset to the present timing. To change the date and time, simply click anywhere on the date or time and a calendar widget will appear. Select the desired date by clicking on the appropriate choices. And set show time by scrolling through the numerics with the scroll wheel on your mouse or the scrolling function of your touchpad. After selecting the preferred date and time, simply click anywhere outside the calendar widget to go back to the Edit Show tab. On returning to the Edit Show tab, you can see the show date and time being displayed. Should you want to change the show date or time, simply repeat the last step. To ensure that the show starts streaming at the correct time, take care when selecting the appropriate time zone. In this demo, we will set the time zone to America, New York. If this is a ticketed event, you can set the ticket price by clicking on the Connect button displayed on the right side of the ticketing section. Brio Show's ticketing function works through the Stripe payment platform. The content owner or designated agent should set up a Stripe account in order to receive ticketing proceeds. After setting up the Stripe account, you will be able to set the ticket price for this screening. Ticket prices can be chosen from the range of $0 to $30. In this window, you will also be able to enter additional information like the show domain. Customers who have purchased tickets will be able to access the show using the emails that were used during checkout. The purchase fulfillment process will be illustrated in a separate explanation video. From this window, show owners or agents will be able to monitor and keep track of purchases. We hope that this video is useful. If you have any more questions regarding the setting up of your Brio show, please email us at support@aurastream.com. We will be most happy to assist. Thank you for watching this tutorial video. We hope that this has been helpful. Goodbye, and happy streaming.